Have you ever pondered how oil spills affect our environment and what you can do to help? Oil spills, whether they occur on a small or large scale, can have devastating effects on marine life. These toxic substances infiltrate the water, suffocating fish, smothering coral reefs, and poisoning the food chain. Moreover, the damage inflicted upon these ecosystems is not easily remedied, often taking years or even decades to recover. But the impact does not stop there. Oil spills can also pose serious health risks to humans, especially those living in coastal communities. The toxic fumes released can cause respiratory problems, while consuming contaminated seafood can lead to food poisoning. But don't lose hope. We all have a role to play in mitigating these impacts. And you might be surprised to know that the key to combating this environmental crisis could be as close as your own scalp. Interestingly, one solution can be found right on our heads. Yes, you heard it right, human hair. Human hair, surprisingly, has a remarkable ability to absorb oil. This property is harnessed in a unique way to clean up oil spills, through the creation of what's known as hair booms or hair mats. The first step in this process involves weaving and compacting the hair. It's either woven into mats or stuffed into nylon stockings to create booms. These structures serve a dual purpose. They act as barriers that float on the water's surface, and they also absorb oil. The buoyancy of hair is what makes this possible, allowing the booms to stay afloat and continue their oil-absorbing mission. Once these hair booms are ready, they're strategically placed along the affected water bodies. This is particularly important in areas where the oil is concentrated or likely to spread. As the oil comes into contact with the hair booms, the hair absorbs the oil, while water is allowed to pass through. This method of oil spill cleanup isn't a one-time deal. The booms need to be periodically checked for saturation. Once they've absorbed as much oil as they can, it's time for them to be collected. This is a crucial part of the process, as improper disposal can lead to further contamination. But there's a silver lining. The absorbed oil can actually be recovered from the saturated hair booms. This can be done through squeezing or mechanical means, offering the potential for the oil to be reused. While this method of oil spill cleanup is effective and versatile, it's important to remember that hair is a natural and sustainable material, and the disposal process needs to be handled responsibly. There are also initiatives to recycle hair and the recovered oil for various purposes, contributing to a circular economy. Involving local communities in this process not only fosters a sense of environmental responsibility, but also promotes awareness about the role of hair in oil spill cleanup. It's a surprising yet effective method that encourages sustainable practices and community engagement. Once these hair booms are saturated with oil, they need to be properly collected and disposed of. The work doesn't stop once the hair booms have done their job. Regular checks are conducted to ensure the booms have not reached saturation. Once saturated, these booms are collected, and the absorbed oil is carefully recovered through squeezing or other mechanical means. This process is not only about collection, but also about responsible disposal. It's essential that these oil-soaked hair booms are disposed of in an environmentally responsible manner, preventing further contamination. But it doesn't end there. There are even efforts to recycle both the hair and the recovered oil for various purposes, turning a potentially harmful waste product into a resource. While human hair is a natural and versatile tool for oil spills, it's crucial that we consider the environmental impact of the disposal process. The beauty of this method lies in its ability to transform a problem into a solution, a testament to human ingenuity and our commitment to protecting our planet. The fight against oil spills is a collective effort. One of the most beautiful aspects of this fight is the role of community involvement. Local communities can play a pivotal role in collecting and preparing hair for oil spill cleanups. This process is not only practical, but it also fosters a deep-rooted sense of environmental responsibility. This responsibility extends beyond the immediate action of cleaning up oil spills. It involves understanding the issue at hand and the significant role that each individual can play. The act of donating hair for oil spill cleanups is a powerful symbol of this understanding. It signifies a commitment to our environment and a willingness to participate in its preservation. Public awareness about the role of hair in oil spill cleanup is equally crucial. Education encourages more sustainable practices and promotes community engagements. It sparks conversations, spreads knowledge, and inspires action. And it's through this collective understanding and action that we can truly make a difference. Together, we can make a significant difference in combating the environmental impacts of oil